In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear students, I hope that everything is going fine with you. According to the current conditions, we have to move entirely to online learning. We will go with our studying with Unit 8 under the title of Let's Learn Lesson Number 1. In this lesson, we have two objectives. Number one, to learn about space. What an amazing topic. And number two, to talk about obligation and how can we express obligation in our life. In this topic, we have a warm-up question. What do you know about space? Here, students can speak about, for example, our solar system, planets, and so on. How can people travel to space? Astronauts, many other things they can speak about in this topic. We have a list of new vocab. Let's shed light on these new vocab. We have 10 new vocab. First, we have to listen to them, and then we will shed light on the flashcards to find the meaning of these new vocab. Now, say with me, binoculars, astronaut, scientist, spacecraft, space suit, space, solar system, eclipse, moon, and the last word is exercise. Now, let's move to new grammar. And our rule is under the title of obligation. And here, we can express about obligation using have to. But don't forget that have to in the present form can be have or has. So we have to or has to. Then we use have to when we express about a general rule or law. A general rule or law. Now let's shed light on examples. We have to wear seat belt. If we didn't wear it, we will be punished. If we don't wear it, we will be punished. Number two, I have to wear my uniform, or they will get me back from the school because we have to wear our new and uniform. Number three, they have to leave work at 4. It's the time when we end our work and then we can leave. We can't leave before that. Again, we have 3 examples. We have to wear seat belt. I have to wear my uniform. They have to leave work at 4 o'clock. Here, the whole explanation of have to and the negative form don't have to or has to, and the negative form is doesn't have to. We use have to express obligation when something is necessary in the present or future. We form it by adding the base form of the verb after have to. Then if we use don't have to, we express about absence of obligation or lack of obligation. Here we have the affirmative form, the negative form, interrogative form. The last example, if we look at these two pictures, number one, the boys have to wake up at 8 in the morning. Number two, the boys don't have to go to school today, it's Saturday. The first example expresses about obligation, and the second example expresses about the absence of obligation. So here we use have to, and here we use don't have to. Finally, do a quiz. We have an exercise to test your understanding. You have to finish this exercise and send your answers. Was with you, Mr. Muhammad Yusuf. That's all for our lesson today, and bye for now.